Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to share an Excel sheet on Google Drive using the full 2026 setup. Sharing Excel files through Drive is one of the easiest ways to collaborate with your team, clients, or classmates without worrying about file size limits. So first, open your browser, go to drive.google.com, and log in with your Google account. Once your Drive dashboard loads, we are ready to begin. If your Excel sheet is not already uploaded, click the New button on the left side and choose File is Upload. Select your Excel file from your computer and wait a few seconds for it to upload. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your Excel file inside My Drive. Now locate the Excel file you want to share. Right-click on the file to open the Options menu, then click Share. A sharing window will appear on your screen. At the top of this window, type the email address of the person you want to share the Excel file with. You can add one email or multiple emails at the same time. After adding the email, choose the permission level. Viewer means they can only view the file. Commenter allows them to leave comments. Editor gives them full access to edit the Excel file. If you prefer sharing with a link instead of email, click the Copy Link option. You can then send that link through WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. Just remember to check the general access settings so the right people can open the file. Once everything is set, click the Send button. The person will instantly receive access to your Excel sheet and can open it directly from their own Google Drive. You can also come back anytime to change permissions, remove access, or stop sharing completely if needed. Google Drive keeps a full record of who has access to your file at all times, and that's it. That's how to share an Excel sheet on Google Drive using the 2026 setup. It's fast, secure, and perfect for real-time collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next